Hello everyone. So in this small tutorial we are going to learn how to create stitches like this. As you can see that these stitches are looking really good and it is very easy to create them. So let us see how we can do this. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go for the creation panel and I'm going to create a plane. I'm going to change the color of this plane. Then I'm going to change the poly count of this. So I'm going to give 20 by 20 in length and width. Then I'm going to right click and convert to editable poly. Then I'm going to go for the top view and select this part and delete, and I'll select this part and delete. I'll click the mesh and pull it to the top of the grid. Next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these vertices, the center vertices. So I'm going to go for the top view again. So I'm going to select the vertices like this and deselect the vertices like this. Then I'm going to click on the chamfer option and increase the chamfer. Then I'm going to make the chamfer amount to 0. I'm just going to adjust this chamfer like this. Then I'm going to come to the poly selection mode and click to a single poly. And then I'm going to go under modify selection panel. And here you can see similar option. Then I'm going to extrude them. So I'm going to come to the modifier list and find face extrude. We can give minus 0.8. I'll right click again and convert to editable poly. Next we are going to select all these edges, so I'll double click on this to select them. Then I'm going to come under create shape from selection and create this linear shape. Then I'm going to create the spline and come under rendering tab and click this enable in viewport option. Right now the poly count is too much, so I'm going to give 4 in sides. Then I'm going to click the main mesh, and in the modifier list you can select either turbo smooth or mesh smooth. So in my case I'm going to select mesh smooth, so ME. You can increase the iterations like this. Then I'm going to select the stitches, and here I'm going to go to the modifier list and add another mesh smooth. Then I'm going to click on the stitches and come to the editable spline option. Here I'm going to turn on the show end result option, and I'm going to increase the thickness by holding control. So as you can see that we are getting a really nice result of stitches. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.